Hi, it's Marta in Spanish. So today I wanted to do a recap of some of the lives I've been doing on Instagram. You know that I go live every single day at 9 p.m. Central European time, and I've been going. This just has been going on since January. We have March challenge now, but I have done a January, February, and a March challenge. So I'm going to explain some of the ones we did during this week, okay? And remember that if you are interested and you want the slides with the practice and all the answers, if you go down below in the link and you click it there, you'll be redirected to the website, okay? So you can download it and you will be getting all the slides since January with the practice and the answers. So it's amazing. And if you have any doubt, you can always contact me, okay? So now that I have said that, let's start. So one of the first things that we started doing this week was aunque. Okay, so aunque. Aunque can be used with indicativo, indicative mood, and with subjuntivo, subjunctive mood. You know that we have three moods in Spanish. Indicativo, it's for facts, okay? Things that are for sure, and subjuntivo for feelings, possibilities, okay? So aunque is used in that way. So if I say aunque estudio no apruebo means although I study, I don't pass. It's a reality, okay? But if I say aunque estudie no apruebo, estudie is subjuntivo, okay? The present of subjunctive, okay? That means like even if I study, I don't pass, okay? Along with aunque, we studied a pesar de que, okay? O pese a que. So same thing, they can go with indicativo and with subjuntivo, okay, for the same reason. So a couple of examples would be pese a que discuten mucho, se llevan muy bien, okay, despite the fact that they fight, they get along really good. Or the other one is a pesar de lo que digan, okay, digan is the subjunctive, me gusta mucho el chocolate, okay, despite what they say, I love chocolate, okay? So that's one of the first things we studied. So let's do a couple of practice. You know that you have more if you download all the lives, okay? The PDFs that go with the live, okay? So for example, if I say a dieta no adelgaza, okay? I mean that although he's on a diet or she's on a diet, he or she doesn't lose weight. So what do you think it would be? Esta dieta no adelgaza. You can say aunque esta dieta no adelgaza, a pesar de que esta dieta no adelgaza, or pese a que esta dieta no adelgaza. You could use the three, okay? Another one, if I say, a pesar de que no me hizo caso, okay, even though I told her, she didn't follow my advice, so a pesar de que no me hizo caso. Here we have to choose the verb. Okay, that happened, it's a fact, so it's indicativo, and it's in the past because we have dijo and it's a clue, okay? So we have to put the verb decir in the past. A pesar de que se lo dije, no me hizo caso, okay? Okay, so if you want more practice, just remember that you can find it there. Let's go to conditionals. So we also explained conditionals for third or fourth time this month. Conditional sentences, we have three types, okay? The first one, present goes with future, okay? So if plus present, future. So if I say, si me levanto pronto, tendré más tiempo. Okay, if I wake up earlier, I will have more time, okay? That would be the first one. The second one would be, si me levantara más pronto, tendría más tiempo, okay? If I woke up earlier, I will have more time, okay? And the third one, it's something that it's past, you can't do anything about it, es, si me hubiera levantado más pronto, habría tenido más tiempo, okay? If I would have, woken up earlier, if I had woken up earlier, I would have had more time, okay? So, first one is present with future. Second one is imperfect of subjunctive with conditional tense, okay? Remember, si me levantara is the imperfect of subjunctive. Tendría más tiempo, tendría is the conditional tense. And the third one, si me hubiera levantado, okay? Hubiera levantado is the past perfect in subjunctive. Habría tenido más tiempo, the conditional tense, but the perfect form, okay? So, let's do a couple. what would you say? Mejor te entenderíamos. So what would you say there? Si te, and the verb is explicar. Mejor te entenderíamos. Okay, so you have to look at entenderíamos. That's the conditional tense, simple form, okay? And it's the first person plural. Nosotros te entenderíamos. Te is you, so if you explain yourself better, we will understand you, okay? So, si te is the second one, okay? So, si te explicaras, mejor, explicaras is the imperfect of subjunctive, okay? Let's do another one. Si él quisiera, okay, si él quisiera, we have quisiera there, quisiera is the imperfect of subjunctive, me casar con él sin duda. So, if he wanted, I would marry him, okay? So, quisiera, imperfect of subjunctive, again, second conditional, so we have to use the conditional tense with casar. Me casaría con él sin dudarlo, okay? Okay, and the last thing we're going to study today, we're going to go over is verbs plus prepositions. So during their live, I explained some of the verbs that can be used with prepositions, so let's go over them. One would be pensar plus en, okay? So for example, pienso en ti todos los días, okay? I think about you every day. Pensar en, okay? Ayudar a, okay? So to help. So, ¿me ayudas a recoger? Can you help me picking up or to pick up, okay? Ayudo a mi madre. I help my mother, okay? Parecerse a, okay? The verb parecerse, we have already studied it. So, parecerse a, to look like. I can say se parece a ti, okay? She looks like you, for example. Acordarse de, okay? Acordarse de, okay? To remember, de. So, ¿te acuerdas de mí? Do you remember me? Acuérdate de ir al supermercado. Remember to go to the supermarket, okay? Another one, dejar de, okay? Deja de molestar a tu hermano, okay? Stop bothering your sister or your brother. Dejar de. And the last one we're going to study, well, not the last one, let's do a couple more. Enamorarse de, okay? To fall in love. Me enamoré de él, okay? I fell in love with him. Then we have confiar en, okay? Confío en ti, I trust you, confiar en. And now, the last one, soñar con. Sueño con vivir en ese país, okay? I dream about living in that country. Or sueño con él, I dream about him, okay? Okay, so let's do some practice too, okay? Remember that you can find more if you go and download all the practice, and you will get January, February, and March. Till the end of March, I'll still be going live. Okay, if you're not joining me, you have to. We have such a great time together. Okay, so let's practice. If I say, confías me, what would you say? Confías? Confías en mí. Muy bien. Another one. Ana se ha enamorado. Ana se ha enamorado de él. Okay, let's do another one. Por favor, deja gritar. Por favor, deja de gritar. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope that you like this summary. I have like sum up 3 lives, okay, that we did last week. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. If you want to practice, you can comment down below and I will correct you, okay? And remember to check the link down below if you want to get all the practice, okay? See you in our next one. Bye!